All right, this is probably not a very good idea being how cold it is, but we're gonna go ahead and send it anyways. Remember guys, this is still a stock block and a stock T5 put together with a lot of junkyard parts and extra stuff that we had laying around in the shop. This is the first time we fired up in 2026. It definitely needs a bath and it needs a really good shakedown. We got Pony and the Smokies coming up, which we've never been to before, and with the black car getting a new engine and the white car in a transition with the coupe, basic pure street, budget built stock street car, having some fun here on the streets. We're gonna shake it down a little bit and go over the build real quick and what the future plans are. Yeah, we gotta clean this thing up. Yeah, your cousin Paul, here's those extra sensors, but
yep.
I'll be back, so stay near your phone. Wish me luck. Here we go. It's been a while. We haven't had this car out since Foxtoberfest, and if you can't tell by the smile on my face, it's been a while. I enjoy these builds probably the most. I mean, they don't owe me shit. I owe this car so much time and effort. It's not even funny. But yeah, it made good power. You know, it made 458, 471 to the wheels. There's the dyno graph. About 13.5 pounds of boost. It's pretty nice. It's probably the quietest turbo build you're ever gonna hear, really. You can hear the whine of the T5. that T5's already whining like, please just take me home. We ain't even got around the corner yet. So yeah, this is the first shakedown of 2026, one of probably many, because we've got a little bit of transition that we're doing here with the car. For those of you just joining us here on the channel, this is probably one of the handful of budget builds that we've had on the channel for a number of years. Lots of transitions between nitrous and turbo and supercharger. A lot of fun with this car. Doesn't have a cage, full weight, including a non-working heater box, bumpers, all of it's still there. And our main objective in this video is just to go out here and shake it down a little bit. I'm gonna be honest with you. Hey, hearing that blowout valve just brings smiles to my face. I enjoy it. When they say it's miles per gallon, it's miles per gallon. Like, it's not miles per gallon to me. You know what I mean? And you build your car the way you want to build it. This car makes noise here and there and everywhere, and it's still really reliable and fun to drive. But we'll go out here and give it a good pull and take it down to the lake. Hope not to smell antifreeze after you do some shit like that. I think I'm smelling some paint, some old header paint. 10 degrees colder here than it is where we were just at, so I'm gonna go ahead and switch over to my other hat. Probably see my breath in this weather. I mean, literally it's like 35 degrees. That's why I kind of turned the boost out of the motor. It doesn't need any boost right now. The air is real dense, so. But they do a nice little Christmas thing down here through the lake where they got all the sponsors and everybody in the area, like the companies and stuff. I want to do this with my company, but you got little companies that sponsor each one of the lights and the kids. You get to bring your family and your kids down here. They put up a display, and it's really kind of nice. There's a bunch of them. This is just a little bit of what you see, but the lake is definitely beautiful this time of the year, and I wanted to show you. This is one of my favorite spots to come and just kind of collect thoughts, man. Sometimes you just gotta hit the reset button and just collect your thoughts, and this is one of my favorite places to do that at. Plus, we'll go over the build real quick and show you guys it's new to the channel. A little bit of shakedown, man. That's all it is. First fire in 26. Go ahead and pop the hood and show you guys underneath. We can see better. If you're looking in 2026 to build a Fox body Mustang makes a little bit of power, more like a pure street build, kind of what we have going on here with Dad's car. I'm going to give you some tips of the trade and some things that's helped me out with this type of build. You build it the way you want to build it, even if they laugh, even if they try to tell you it's not the right way. It's your way, it's your budget, it's your story, it's your car. You build it the way you want to build it. And some of the things that's made me successful throughout the years is basically not overcomplicating the build. It's literally that easy. It's just a stock block, stock bottom end with flip pistons. I got a junkyard intake. I got a junkyard set of heads with new valve springs. I got a junkyard throttle body that we modified from the same intake that we pulled out of the junkyard. Not overcomplicated. This turbos consists of about 3 other turbos. I replaced this wheel in a whole different case. It's not balanced, it's not perfect, it's not bougie. Most of this turbo kit was built from Amazon. As you can see, my little crossover pipe's like a 2-inch or whatever. Extra headers that we had laying around here on the shop, welded together, reinforced them, and made it work. In a nutshell, we used with what we had. Now combine that with a little bit of know-how, we put together a pretty little lean machine here. It's still got a stock T5 in it from parts that we've had from other T5s in the past that kind of weren't the type of parts that we would resell. So it's literally a junkyard T5. It whines a little bit, as you can see, but you know, it's going to pits, and I don't really expect much from the build at pits. But that's okay, we're not gonna push it that much. We'd like to run a 10-second quarter mile, but we definitely have some upgrades that's coming that we need to do to Dad's car, including suspension, because the car does steer a little bit funny. We got some tires we need to get. As if you didn't already notice, yeah, we're getting pretty dry rotted. But this whole video is basically about us just shaking the car down, getting it warm, you know, getting the oil moving through the engine. We're not going to really push it too much at all today. Car made 460, 470 to the wheels. Not perfect build. In this 2026, building a budget Fox body Mustang. Again, you build it the way you want to build it. The things that's made me successful with this is, well, I didn't spend a whole lot of money on it. If I'm being honest with you, this shouldn't work as well as it does. But sometimes you just get those builds that if it works, leave it alone. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Keep it running, keep it clean, and just enjoy the damn thing. So we're gonna head back to the shop. All we wanted to do is make a quick shakedown. I wanted to put a new K member in it because I think with the K member, in the same way the Project Hot Wheels was set up, the goal is to beat a 1093 that we ran in Project Hot Wheels with Dad's car. And I think that's a pretty achievable goal. You already know what's happening. Man, I told y'all, pure street car. Had a lot of fun this pass. I didn't mention at the lake, but car's tuned on a factory A9L with a Moats quarter horse. You can get Moats quarter horse still, kind of a custom tune setup, and unless you know binary editor pretty well, that's not really something that's easy to tune. But as far as options are concerned, you can go carburetor. Carburetor is always a good option. Clearly, if you can get in and get a custom tune on an A9L, that would be something that would be, you know, good. We still do custom tuning, but it's not very often. Yeah, we did pretty good today. Had fun with the ride. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you new to the channel, click that subscribe. Check out that join button, become a member. Channel helps me to do things like this and bring content to the channel for you guys. But outside of that, I love y'all. I appreciate you for watching. And what are you saying?
I was waiting for you to get back before I left.
Let me tell you, that was a pretty good ride.
Yeah. Is it running good?
For what it is.
Yeah.
She ain't never let us down.
No.
I'll see you later. See you guys. Bye.